Asante Kotoko officially had take over negotiation from supporters or moyo madwin se omekwa for Salifu Di Maria aba Kotoko no. Na unim se ehase as supporters leaders of the club and omoyo madwin se Salifu no omekwa for aba because the contract with Accra Sufuk no e bana wie at the end of this month ya. Na and I know ka say last week be a story be about Salifu say coach Ogum asoften the grounds yes enokre na say no waje bibia mama medical team ne say medical team ne pass an effector he will be ready to let Salifu in yes na eno na amase say no Kotoko IMC for ankasa na se Kotoko management as o morane club no mo kodi player ho enkomo no officially omo ne Salifu agent aye friend Benedict Siedu ashase edin komo about Salifu all along no na supporters no leaders no oma ba so omo de sika no bekọ akofa Salifu aba no omo na edin komo no but enedua me no ka say no nkomo no asesa sese no de management of Kotoko na ene Salifu edin komo no me ka to say Salifu Di Maria ene seto say omumienu entimi emebo Kotoko baako ene beba and as we speak seto say de ene de sese no obi beka say atonsuom na Salifu de no na aye 60% rise ko 70% sese ya coach Ogum ama green light say the management IMC for no ebetimi ende nkomo na nkomo no IMC for no ahyase te say the last week be de bae na IMC for no aka kire Salifu agent ne say omo pese Salifu ebeye training for Kotoko na omo hwe no ansa na omo ye medicals omo wia na negotiations atoa so say metwia sei meye sei omo mpese omo meye negotiations na wie na Salifu abeye ne medicals no me pa cho wanya understanding omo pese player no medics no declare the fact we ansa na omo agree negotiable agreement say yebema o say ansa na omo reach agreement on that no omo kire say age se Salifu ebe kick ball no ye medicals ansa na enkomodie about the personal agreement ni sika obeje ne sa anwoma na atoa so sisi no na akoye bone of contention because of pagifo say sa okwa ware na obusa and be sure say Kotoko form pagifo no mate bibi enu ntina omo take sa move we no that's the matter.